Hey there, I'm Roshan and welcome to Programming Portal. In this tutorial, you will see how to generate QR code using Python. So what is a QR code? QR code or quick response code is a two-dimensional barcode, or you can say two-dimensional pictographic code, which you come across almost daily on all products and packaging. It looks similar to this. The code consists of black square arranged in a square grid on a white background, and any kind of information can be encoded in it. Mostly it is used for fast readability and large storage capacity that can be read by any imaging devices such as camera or any barcode scanner. Python has the easiest way to create QR code using QR code module. So let's get started. First, we need to install QR code module. You can use command prompt if your Python variable is set. Otherwise, you can use Python terminal. You can write pip command, pip install QR code. You have to install the QR code module with Pillow support. So what I can write? Pil. This will help us to save our QR code in an image file. If you are using higher version, you can use pip3 command. I don't have to install because it is already present. If you don't have, you have to install using pip3 command or pip command based on your version. So let's get started. First you need to import QR code. So import QR code. Then you have to call the make function. So you can write QR is equal to QR code dot make. Inside make function you have to assign the data. So I can write the programming portal. So my QR code will have data, the programming portal. And now finally save this image using save method. So you can write QR.save. You can save image in PNG or JPG or any other format. You just have to pass the file name. So I'm passing QR, that will be the file name, and extension will be, let's say, with PNG. That's it. We can print some message. QR code is generated. It will save in current directory only. So let me save and try to run. As you can see, QR code is generated. Let me open this qr.png file. As you can see, file has been generated. Let me open this. If you have any QR code scanner app, then you can easily scan this QR code and see the data inside it. In our QR code, I have specified the programming portal as data. This is a very simple method to create a QR code. For more control on QR code, you can use the QR code class that we'll see in the future videos. I hope you have learned something new today. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.